Costello's snoring off to my right, the lights that are in the room, the presence of my computer to my left. All of that is coming in. But when I pay attention to something, like if I really hone in on Costello's snoring, I create a cone of attention. And what that cone of attention reflects is that acetylcholine is now amplifying the signal of sounds that Costello is making with his snoring and essentially making that signal greater than all the signal around it.